You know how to fold a t-shirt?
Not at all.
I just a trick. The Ninja Transfers shirt folding board, Ryan. So step by step here, right? You're gonna put the shirt facing down, right? So there we go, face down in there. And since these are long sleeves, we'll kind of fold them in there a little bit. Then you want to grab them both by the side. Go 1, 2, and you have this bottom panel here. And you just flip that on up. And there you have it. It's really simple stuff.
Beautiful stuff.
Yeah, you see how easy that was? It was
Yeah.
the easiest thing you've ever done.
No, it was super easy. And dude, thanks so much for breaking it down for
That's
me.
what I'm here for, man.
Where can I find more helpful tips like this when it comes to custom apparel?
Visit the Ninja Transfers YouTube channel, like and subscribe, and you'll get more tips like this.
Amazing. Beautiful.